How to log out Twitter. In this video, I'm gonna show you the process on how you can log out of your Twitter account. Firstly, open up your Twitter application. Now you will need to head over to your account settings. Tap on your profile here and then head over to settings and support, and again settings and privacy. From here, tap on your account and again account information. Now along with the account information, you can see a logout option on the bottom of the page. Tap on logout. After that's done, you can see that the account of Twitter has now been logged out. So that's the process on how to log out of Twitter. That will be all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.